Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You will install Google Drive for desktop now. First, confirm your laptop runs Windows 10/11 or Mac OS 10. 14 or later and sign into your Google account. That avoids later permission issues. Once done, download the official Drive for desktop installer and open it. The installer requests folder and permission access. Grant them so sync works. Make sure to choose whether to stream files or mirror locally, because that decision affects disk space immediately. Now configure how Drive integrates with your laptop. Choose stream files to save disk space or mirror files to keep local copies. This choice controls offline access and storage usage. Next, pick specific My Drive folders to sync rather than syncing everything, which speeds setup. Then set your local folder location and optional bandwidth or proxy settings. This helps performance on slow networks. Finally, confirm file type and app permissions so Office and Preview. Finish by confirming the Drive icon appears in your system tray or menu bar and that you're signed in to the correct account. This indicates the client is running. Test by uploading a small file, then open it to confirm download and offline access if you mirrored files. If synchronization fails, restart the Drive app and your laptop. Then check firewall or antivirus settings to ensure Drive is allowed network and disk access. This restart plus permission check fixes most common sync problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.